In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the DDB function in Excel. To get started, open Microsoft Excel and prepare a simple worksheet where you can enter your asset details. The DDB function stands for double declining balance, and it's used to calculate depreciation using an accelerated method. In simple terms, this means an asset loses more value in the earlier years of its useful life and less value later on. This approach is commonly used in accounting when assets are expected to be more productive or lose value faster at the beginning. The syntax for the function is equals DDB, then open parentheses, cost, salvage, life, period, and optionally factor, then close parentheses. Each part has a specific purpose. Cost is the original purchase price of the asset. Salvage is the estimated value at the end of the asset's useful life. Life is the total number of periods, such as years, over which the asset will be depreciated. Period is the specific year or period you want to calculate. Factor is optional, and if you leave it out, Excel uses 2 by default, which gives you the standard double declining balance method. Now let's use some sample data. Enter an asset cost of $50,000, a salvage value of $5,000, a useful life of 5 years, and a period value of 1. This gives us a simple example to work with. To calculate first-year depreciation, assume the cost is in cell B2, the salvage value is in B3, the useful life is in B4, and the period is in B5. In another cell, type equals DDB open parentheses B2, B3, B4, B5 close parentheses. Press Enter, and Excel will return the depreciation expense for the first year. If you want to calculate depreciation for another year, such as the third year, use equals DDB open parentheses B2, B3, B4, 3 close parentheses. This tells Excel to calculate the depreciation specifically for year 3. You can also use a different depreciation factor instead of the default value of 2. For example, type equals DDB open parentheses B2, B3, B4, B5, 1.5 close parentheses. This applies a 1.5 declining balance method rather than the standard double declining balance. It's also helpful to understand how DDB compares to similar functions. DDB is accelerated depreciation. DB uses a fixed declining balance method, and SLN calculates straight-line depreciation, which spreads the same amount evenly across each period. A few final tips. The period starts at 1 for the first year. Omitting the factor makes Excel use 2 automatically, and the salvage value should be lower than the asset cost for meaningful results. If you want larger depreciation earlier, DDB is a great choice.